Unmatched chakra. Can't be. No way!
A monster ox. So that's your true form.
Its chakra is unbelievable. If we stay here, we're gonna be pulverized!
Sasuke, let's draw back for now.
Yo, I'm not letting you get away this late in the game, fools! You fools!
Get back. I'll take care of this guy. Eight Tails, it's time I restrained you.
Mission start.
I was born a glorious longhorn. Yeah.
Jugo, Suigetsu, Karin, get back. I've got this one.
Such chakra. Can't be. No way!
Monster ox. So this is his true form, huh?
How can you possibly defeat it? Sasuke, this guy is dangerous. I mean it.
Don't worry, I can take it.
You can even handle an opponent like that? Sasuke?
That strength. No wonder Kimimaro respected it.
Sasuke, I'm thinking we'd probably better get out of here.
Yo, I'm not letting y'all get away this late in the game, fools.
Sasuke, count me in!
Shigori free! Strong foe requires before the fall, yo. We serves up a bit of feast. Yeah.
Grief. No matter how idiotic he sounds, I still can't laugh.
I'll stop him!
Shigori free!
Tommy, can you sense anything? Like where his weak spots are?
Obviously, if I knew that, I would have already told you.
And if you don't know what to do, lend me an arm or two.
No need for that. They're not yours for the taking.
Hot soul, cool calculation, invincible, irresistible. Give it up for the Eight Tails. Shigori free!
Isn't there anything you can do, Sasuke?
It's all over now! Ready for it now, you fool! You little tool!
Amaterasu!
You did it, Sasuke.
Yeah. I never really expected we'd have such a fight on our hands.
Oh, I didn't think you could get any hotter, Sasuke.
We've caught the Eight Tails. Now we just have to get it out of here. As promised, I've delivered the Eight Tails to you.
Nice work. I knew you could do it. Where are you going?
First to heal, then to the leaf.
I need to ask you something important. Now that you know the whole truth about Itachi and his life, there's always the possibility that you'll take his side and try to protect the leaf. So tell me truthfully, what are your intentions?
Now that I know the truth, I will never take his side and protect the leaf.
Are you sure?
You told me the reason Itachi couldn't kill me was because my life was more precious to him than the village. I feel the same. That Itachi's life is more precious than the leaf. That's all. They looked down on the Uchiha, ordered my brother to kill our parents. And it was not only the elders who chased Itachi to his death. It was all those in the leaf. To me, they're the scum of the earth. They are all objects of my vengeance! I'll make sure the people of the Leaf know my pain, my despair, and my hatred.
Sasuke Uchiha. Now there's a true avenger. No one can stop him now. No one.